Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get so much done in a day while others struggle to manage their time? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. Today, we're delving into the paradox of time, the great equalizer. Time, you see, is the one resource that is distributed equally among us. Whether you're a CEO or a high school student, you have the same 24 hours in a day. Yet, how is it that some people can squeeze more productivity and happiness out of those hours than others? The secret lies in time management, an essential skill that influences how effectively we use our hours, minutes, and seconds. Astonishingly, studies show that effective time management can increase productivity by as much as 40% and significantly boost overall happiness. So we find ourselves at the heart of the paradox. Time, as they say, waits for no one. So, how do we make the most of it? What if we told you that proper time management could be your ticket to a more productive and fulfilling life? This might sound like a weighty claim, but let's dive into it. Consider the power of time management. It's a practice that can transform an overwhelming day into a day of accomplishment. It's the art of organizing, planning, and dividing your time between specific activities to increase efficiency and productivity. But the benefits of effective time management extend beyond merely getting more done in less time. It's also about reducing stress. When you're constantly racing against the clock, trying to cram everything into a day, it's like running on a treadmill that's set just a bit too fast. You're always trying to catch up, and it's exhausting. But with good time management, you're in control. You set the pace. Suddenly, that treadmill becomes manageable. Time management also promotes a better work-life balance. By setting boundaries and allocating time for work, rest, and leisure, you ensure that all aspects of your life get the attention they deserve. This leads to a more balanced, happier existence. There's also a wealth of research that underscores these benefits. Studies have shown that individuals who effectively manage their time have lower levels of stress and anxiety. They report higher levels of satisfaction with their work and personal lives. They experience a better overall quality of life. In a study published in the Journal of Educational Psychology, students who utilized effective time management strategies reported less stress, better grades, and a greater sense of control over their environment. Other studies have shown that employees who manage their time well are more productive, have higher job satisfaction, and are less likely to burn out. So it's not just about squeezing more tasks into your day. It's about enhancing your overall life experience. It's about creating space for what truly matters, reducing stress, and living a more balanced, fulfilling life. So, if time management has such profound effects on our lives, why do so many of us struggle with it? It's time to rethink what it means to be selfish with your time. Because believe it or not, a lot of people don't deserve it. Now, when we say selfish, we don't mean turning a blind eye to your loved ones or ignoring those in need. No, being selfish with your time is about understanding your worth, recognizing your priorities, and making conscious decisions about how you want to spend your precious hours. Imagine your time as a golden coin. You wouldn't just toss it to anyone who asks for it, would you? You'd want to invest it where it matters, where it brings value, where it amplifies your growth and happiness. So how do you become selfish with your time? First, set clear boundaries. Know when to shut the door, when to switch off your phone, when to protect your space. Second, learn to say no. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but remember, every time you say yes to something you don't want to do, you're saying no to something you do. Focus on high-value activities. These are the activities that align with your goals, that spark joy, that fill your cup. These are the moments worth your golden coin. Remember, being selfish with your time doesn't mean you care any less about others. It simply means you care enough about yourself to prioritize your own happiness and productivity. So, are you ready to take control of your time and transform your life? We've journeyed through the paradox of time, the power of time management, and the art of being selfish with your time. All these concepts converge to one truth. Your time is invaluable. It's a catalyst for productivity and a cornerstone of happiness. As we wrap up, ask yourself this: are you living your life on your own terms, or are you merely existing on borrowed time? Remember, the time to act is now. because time once lost can never be reclaimed.